I used to grind my teeth a lot. I had like teeth as short as an 80-year-old man. It just literally got to the point where, I just literally didn't feel comfortable, in my own skin. So for a long time, I wouldn't even smile. In the pictures, my wife found me always smiling like this. I would never actually show my teeth. So finally, she's like, you know what? We've got to get your teeth fixed.
Alma is one of those tough guys you see who just has the bulldog, strong facial muscles, and extremely high power in his teeth, and his teeth show that. They were so worn off. They had lost most of their height to where they maybe were about a third of their original height when I first started talking to him about treatment, and he didn't know what could be done. Of course, I knew what could be done, and I could see it right off the bat. I knew what he could look like, and so we went forward with the process of investigating how that would look. We talked to him about the treatment that I thought would be possible, and he could see it.
Dr. Thompson and his team here at New Smile are absolutely amazing. He makes you feel extremely comfortable from the second that you meet him. You feel calm, relaxed. His assistants make you calm and relaxed. He explains everything in a very calm way so that you actually can understand and you're comfortable with what's about ready to happen.
We delivered a beautiful full mouth reconstruction for him. He has crowns on all of his teeth, and it's just dynamite. And his teeth are back to his youthful appearance, their length, they're strong, they function well. He's going to have a very low maintenance, very healthy, beautiful smile for a very long time, despite the fact that he put so much force on those teeth.
Your confidence level is really, really low when you can't smile. And when you're dealing with interactions with people, it's just like a one-on-one, thing where they can see your confidence or lack of confidence, and having a smile that you're proud of and you feel comfortable with is really crucial and key to that relationship. And it was really, really neat when my wife actually saw him, because she was like, wow, you look like a whole new person. So it's actually amazing to see the transformation.
We went with zirconia crowns on his teeth. It was the only way to go, and it looks amazing, and he loves it, his wife loves it, we love it, and we think it demonstrates very well what we can do for people here at New Smile.
I'd like to thank Dr. Thompson and his staff over here at New Smile for basically giving me my life back, because having a smile is just, it's worth its weight in gold. It's worth everything.